I'm sure that the Commissioner of Police will act accordingly and bring them to book. Yes. Those people are unknown to us, and I foresee that they are being sent and sponsored by opposition political parties. And I don't want to mention the names of those parties here, who are afraid of the fortune, of the strength of the Labour Party. The Labour Party have become a very big movement and one family. Yes. That it will be difficult for any person to infiltrate. Yes. And I want to use this as an opportunity to tell them that they should have thought of a more decent way of doing it. But for this one, it's dead on arrival. And I can assure you of that. Like you have seen, my ward chairman is here. The ward register is here. None of those names is in the ward register. Those names are not even ASAN names. They are unknown to us. So I want to appreciate all of them. My ward chairman, my local government chairman, and all other local government chairmen that are here in solidarity. I want to appreciate FCT executives. I want to say that your solidarity messages today, the kind words that you have showered on me, has further re-energized me to work for this party. The truth of the matter is that I took the party from nothing to something without sounding immodest. Yes. By this time, 2 years ago, Labour Party was not a party of reference. And it will shock you to note that I am just 2 years in office. Okay. And just 2 years on assumption of office, I've taken the party from nothing to something. Yes. And I want to assure you that this is just the beginning. Yes. The party has come to stay. Yes. We'll continue to work for the party. We'll continue to move on. We are challenging the outcome of the presidential election and indeed all other elections. Yes, sir. Not even this distraction will distract us from pursuing it. It's a mandate that has been freely given to our people, to our party, and we shall not rest in our oars till we defend that mandate. If that is the reason why they are planning all of this, they should think of a better way. I thank you, gentlemen of the press. Members of the press have been very wonderful. During the election, before the election, and even after the election, you have been so wonderful, and I'm very proud of you. I want to assure you of my continued support. I assure you of our continued working relationship, and I want to assure you that we'll continue to do our best, and we have the best for the Nigerian people. Thank you and God bless you.
Solely.